Hey everyone, welcome back to Z-Tech Advisor channel. Today, we're diving into Module 4, Vulnerability Management in Cybersecurity. Let's get started. In this module, we'll be focusing on a critical aspect of vulnerability management, prioritization. Prioritizing vulnerabilities is essential for efficiently allocating resources and addressing the most significant risks first. We'll explore various methods and criteria for prioritizing vulnerabilities, including severity ratings, potential impact on business operations, and exploitability. By the end of this module, you'll have a clear understanding of how to prioritize vulnerabilities effectively to enhance your organization's cybersecurity posture. So, let's dive in and uncover the key strategies for vulnerability prioritization. The vulnerability assessment also helps SecureTech demonstrate compliance with industry regulations and standards, such as ISO 27001 and PCI DSS, and position itself as a trusted provider of cybersecurity solutions in the market. Moving forward, SecureTech continues to prioritize vulnerability management as an integral part of its cybersecurity strategy to protect its assets, customers, and reputation from evolving cyber threats. Module 4, Vulnerability Prioritization. Prioritization methodologies CVSS, CW, SANS Top 25, etc. Factors influencing prioritization: exploitability, impact, etc. Balancing technical severity with business context, incorporating threat intelligence into prioritization decisions. Case studies demonstrating effective prioritization strategies. Challenges in prioritizing vulnerabilities in large-scale environments. Implementing a risk-based approach to vulnerability management. Developing custom prioritization criteria tailored to organizational needs. Prioritization methodologies CVSS, CW, SANS Top 25, etc. Different methodologies exist for prioritizing vulnerabilities based on various criteria. Common methodologies include the Common Vulnerability Scoring System CVSS, which assesses vulnerabilities based on their severity, exploitability, and impact, and the CW, SANS Top 25, which lists the most prevalent and critical software weaknesses. These methodologies provide frameworks for evaluating and prioritizing vulnerabilities to focus remediation efforts on the most significant security risks. Factors influencing prioritization: exploitability, impact, etc. Several factors influence the prioritization of vulnerabilities, including exploitability, impact, prevalence, and criticality to the organization's business operations. Exploitability refers to the ease with which attackers can exploit a vulnerability to compromise systems or data. Impact assesses the potential consequences of a successful exploit, such as data breaches, service disruptions, or financial losses. Balancing these factors helps organizations prioritize vulnerabilities effectively based on their risk severity and potential impact on the organization. Balancing technical severity with business context. Balancing technical severity with business context is essential in prioritizing vulnerabilities to align with organizational goals and objectives. While technical severity ratings provide valuable insights into the technical aspects of vulnerabilities, they may not always reflect their impact on business operations. Incorporating business context, such as the criticality of affected assets, regulatory compliance requirements, and operational dependencies, helps organizations prioritize vulnerabilities based on their real-world impact and prioritize remediation efforts accordingly. Incorporating threat intelligence into prioritization decisions. Threat intelligence provides valuable information about emerging threats, attack trends, and known adversaries, helping organizations prioritize vulnerabilities based on their likelihood of exploitation. By incorporating threat intelligence into prioritization decisions, organizations can identify vulnerabilities actively targeted by attackers, assess the risk of exploitation, and prioritize remediation efforts accordingly. Threat intelligence feeds from reputable sources enable organizations to make informed decisions and allocate resources effectively to address the most imminent security risks. Case studies demonstrating effective prioritization strategies. Case studies demonstrating effective prioritization strategies showcase real-world examples of organizations successfully managing and prioritizing vulnerabilities. These case studies highlight the challenges faced, the methodologies employed, and the outcomes achieved in mitigating security risks. By analyzing successful prioritization strategies implemented by other organizations, stakeholders gain valuable insights into best practices, lessons learned, and effective approaches to vulnerability management. Challenges in prioritizing vulnerabilities in large-scale environments. Large-scale environments present unique challenges in prioritizing vulnerabilities due to the sheer volume of assets, complexity of systems, and diversity of technologies. Challenges include maintaining an accurate inventory of assets, assessing dependencies between systems, and coordinating remediation efforts across distributed environments. Additionally, prioritizing vulnerabilities in large-scale environments requires scalability, automation, and integration with existing security processes to ensure comprehensive coverage and effective risk management. Implementing a risk-based approach to vulnerability management. Implementing a risk-based approach to vulnerability management involves prioritizing vulnerabilities based on their potential impact on the organization's business objectives and operations. This approach focuses on identifying and addressing vulnerabilities that pose the greatest risk to the organization, rather than addressing all vulnerabilities indiscriminately. By prioritizing vulnerabilities based on risk severity, organizations can allocate resources efficiently, focus remediation efforts on critical security risks, and mitigate the most significant threats to their assets and operations. Developing custom prioritization criteria tailored to organizational needs. Developing custom prioritization criteria tailored to organizational needs enables organizations to align vulnerability management processes with specific business requirements, risk tolerance, and operational priorities. Custom criteria may include factors such as asset criticality, business impact, regulatory compliance requirements, and industry-specific considerations. By developing custom prioritization criteria, organizations can tailor vulnerability management practices to address their unique challenges, effectively manage security risks, and achieve their strategic objectives. Thank you for joining me today in exploring Module 4, Vulnerability Management in Cybersecurity. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this one. Until next time, stay safe and keep strengthening those cyber defenses.